How to connect Calendly to Apple Calendar. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect Calendly to Apple Calendar. So first, you just have to simply log into your Calendly, and then here you have to go to your profile and look for Calendar Sync. So here on Calendar Sync, if you scroll down here, you should see that Apple Calendar. If not, you can tap this add right here. Tap this one. But in order for you to add or sync another calendar here in Calendly, you need to upgrade your plan. So once you have upgraded your plan, then you can see that right away and you can add the calendar. So not just Apple, but also Google Calendar. So once you have upgraded your plan, then if you go to Calendar Sync, add calendar, you should see this Apple iCloud calendar right here. And what you're going to do is you have to simply click connect. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is. So your Calendly should be successfully connected to your Apple Calendar, allowing you to keep all your appointments in sync across devices. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.